Hello friends, welcome to the P channel. Today I bring you another video, Ultimate VS Code Shortcuts for Speed. If you are a developer, chances are that you spend lots of time in VS Code. But did you know there are VS Code shortcuts that can make your workflow easier and coding much more effective. In this video today I will show you some of the most useful VS Code shortcuts that every developer should know, from switching files to finding required file and etc. Now, why should you learn these shortcuts? First, it will make you code faster, it will reduce the repetitive task, and third, it will make you code like a pro. Let's dive in. So as you see, this is one of the dummy Django project that I have created, where this dummy Django project has, this is the main project folder. This authentication is an app. There is another app called payment. Now, first shortcut, which is one of the most useful and you should definitely know this, is how to find the file very quickly. So let's say out of this authentication, dummy project and payment app, there is one file common called urls.py. So now there are three urls.py in three different directories. So in Django terms, 2 apps and 1 main project. But let's say you want to go to specific urls.py. What if there are 10 apps and you want to go to specific urls.py? So at that time you cannot just go to the app and expand or collapse. So that will take a lot of time. So instead what you can do is use Control P. Now let me show you. You can just close all of them. Let me press Control P and here I type urls. So whatever you type, what it will do, it will search whole project and try to bring the files which starts with this urls. So it found 3 files, urls.py in payment application, authentication app and dummy project. So if I click on this, I will be in this project. Now same goes for view. You see there are 2 views. Now which one do I choose? It's up to me. So I'm choosing the payment one. I click on it and I'm there. Boom. So you don't have to manually go to the application or any directory and open that. It works everywhere. Let it be any project. It could be your React project, it could be PHP project, any project. It is a VS Code shortcut, not tied with a language. Now, second is switching the tab. Now you might find yourself opening numerous tabs. There are a lot of tabs. Now if you want to go some tabs, it will be cumbersome because you have to click the mouse and all. But what if I show that you can press Control Tab and you can switch it. So when I press Control Tab, you see one pop-up came. It says where do you want to go. Right now let's say I'm in admin.py and I press Control Tab. You can say I want to go to f.py. Here I go and I just release the key and I'll be there. Same goes for, let's say I want to go to settings.py. I click on it, settings.py. But you say no, I want to go back. How do I do that? Then you press Control, Shift and Tab. Control, Shift, Tab. And you can move backward. So forward, Control Tab, backward, Control Shift Tab. And that's how you can do it. And it's very easy when you have less number of files open. So let's say 2 only. So what you can do, you can just press Control Tab and it will just cycle through 2 of them. Now the third one is also important when this particular shortcut is useful when you are working on a multiple projects. Let's say right now this project, this directory or the project name is test_project. But what if I have to go to another project? You can press Control R. So when you press Control R, it gives you what project or what directory you want to open. Whatever project you have opened so far, it will be shown here. These are the projects I have opened so far, so this is showing me list. Right now I'm in test project and I want to go to, let's say, test directory. I click on this and boom, I'm there. I don't have to do anything at all. And I want to go back to that project. I press Control R again and see, this is a test project. I was there and I click on it and boom, I'm there. So see, so instead of opening a new VS Code window and going there and open the project, and also it will eat your RAM. So instead you can just press Control R. And also before changing, you might want to save the file. So please save the file and then change it.